Dear students, in previous lecture we have studied if the partial differential equation is of the type equation 1, then we have diagnosed the nature of the differential equation. That was like this: if b square minus 4ac is less than then nature of equation is elliptic. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the nature of equation is hyperbolic. And if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the nature of square will be parabolic. Now, today we are going to study one more type of equation like this: linear partial differential equation of second order in three dependent variables. If we see this long equation 1, a11 del 2u upon del x square, a12 del 2u upon del x del y, a13 del 2u del x del z, and so on. Now in summation form this can be written as shown in the figure. Now if we observe this, the constant of the partial differential equation can be represented in also a matrix form like this. So if we have to find the nature of the equation, then we have to find the value delta like this. Here a11, a12, a3, etc. are the coefficients obtained from the equation 1, which will be given as a problem. Now here are three conditions which we have to discuss to know the nature of the given equation. If the value of delta is equal to 0, then the given partial differential equation will be parabolic. If delta is less than equal to 0 or delta is greater than equal to 0, then partial differential equation is hyperbolic. And if delta in some relation of variable, say x or delta or some other constant, and becomes 0 on putting x is equal to 0, then it will be elliptic. There is one more case for to be elliptic. This will be positive for all real values of deltas. Now here is one thing is to understand case second and third. There is some confusion. If delta is less than 0, then it will be hyperbolic. If delta is greater than 0, or we can say it is positive, then we have to discuss or we have to observe the equation is hyperbolic or elliptical. This confusion we can discuss with the problem. Now here is the problem which can tell us the difference between 2 and 3. Here one problem is given to us: uxx 2uyy uzz is equal to 2uzy plus 2uyz. If we arrange the given equation's coefficient in the form of determinant, then we can see that this value of this is 2. Value of this determinant is equal to 2, which is not equal to 0. The value of determinant is positive. So we do not say if the value of delta is positive, this is hyperbolic. To confirm this is hyperbolic or elliptic, we express the elements of the given determinant in the form of equation as diagonal elements are represented by a1, a2, a3, and other elements are represented by a1, a12. Like this, for 1 we have written here a1 square. For minus 2 we have written the positional values a1 into a2. Like this, diagonal elements again we have written a2 square. For the next element minus 2, a2, a1, a3 square. If we see that this is the perfect square, we can obtain the perfect square from this given equation on simplification. So whatever the value we select, we will get a positive, definite positive for all the values of a. And if we put ai is equal to 0, then we will get 0. So the nature of equation will be elliptic, which is described in case third, which fulfills the properties of case third. This will be, if we put all ai's is equal to 0, then it will be 0, or we give the value, any value to ai's, then it will be the perfect positive number. So the nature of the given equation will be elliptic. So now, okay, here we will discuss another question. The question is given ux, uyy, uzx, u2u, yz is equal to 0. Now we can represent the equation in partial differential form like this, and if we put coefficients in the determinant form, then we will get, for first this is 1, for y this is 1, for zx, zx we will 1, and for del y del z is equal to 2. Now on solving this and this, we will get 0. If delta is equal to 0, then from case 1, if the value of delta is equal to 0, then the partial differential equation will be parabolic in nature. By this way, you can solve more questions involved in the exercise of the given article in PDF form at the Google Classroom. Thank you, students.